What is a data table? So a data table provides a more dynamic and efficient solution. The reason why we highly recommend using data tables is because it does allow for real-time updates on your list, individual row modifications, and seamless integration with external data sources like Google Sheets and Quickbase. So that last point is a major key thing. And again, I'll be going over it in more detail later on how to set this up. So a lookup list, as you can see here on the right-hand side of the screen, that's what a lookup list looks like. It is basically an account-wide list uploaded as via an Excel or a CSV file. So you do need to contain that data on a separate source, again, being Excel or CSV. Data tables overcome lookup list limitations by offering real-time updates and easy modifications and better performance. And we could kind of see how a data table would look like in the portal on the right-hand side. Right here, if you could see my cursor on the upper right-hand corner of the screenshot, you can see that there's a button called Add New Equipment and Edit Table. So you are able to do those live edits, which again is the first benefit, which is live updates. There isn't a need to re-upload files. The list stays up to date because you are able to make those quick edits on the fly. And then the great thing about data tables is the integrations. So we do have direct integrations with Google Sheets and with Quickbase, and more coming soon as well. Another thing is that it is mobile friendly. So the big impact that this has is that we are no longer limited to having to download the entire list each and every time you access the app. Now it is only going to cache only those modified rows. So again, that mobile performance is going to skyrocket because we are no longer being dragged down by having to download each and every row instance of the records. And then lastly, again, optimized performance handles large data sets efficiently with smooth app operations. And then let's kind of get into the meat of it. How do I create a data table? So there are 4 ways to create a data table. You could create it either from scratch, so that meaning you can make it directly within FastField. Another thing is creating it from an Excel or CSV file, similar to how you would do it with a lookup list. However, the difference is now you could make those edits within FastField. You don't have to go to Excel or a CSV to make those edits. So another, great thumbs up. The other option is creating it by connecting it to a Google Sheet or connecting it to a Quickbase table.